This is a video stabilization test for the Samsung Galaxy S7 versus the iPhone 6s Plus. The 6s Plus has been my go-to camera phone for video, mainly because of its excellent video stabilization. Both the Galaxy S7 and iPhone 6s Plus come equipped with optical image stabilization. I had a similar test with the Galaxy S7 Edge, but I'm redoing the test because there were too many controls not accounted for. This test was set up on a dual phone one-handed rig, 1080p, 30 frames per second.
You